What if I told you that the pest control industry has been robbing you blind for decades? Every single year, millions of homeowners spend hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars on exterminators, toxic sprays, and chemical bombs that do absolutely nothing permanent. Nothing. And the worst part? There is a solution sitting right in your kitchen right now, a 2-ingredient mixture that costs less than $1. It kills cockroaches permanently. Not for a week, not for a month. Permanently. The pest control companies know about this. They have always known. And they have spent decades making sure you never find out. Today, that changes. You're going to learn exactly what this mixture is, exactly how to use it, and exactly why it works better than anything a $300 exterminator visit can do. Stay until the end, because the last tip will genuinely shock you. Let me paint you a picture. You wake up at 2 a.m., you walk to your kitchen for a glass of water, you hit the light switch, and there they are. Cockroaches scattering across your countertop, disappearing into cracks, vanishing behind your refrigerator. Your stomach drops. You feel violated in your own home. You clean your kitchen every single day. You take out the trash. You wipe the counters. And still, they come back. Because here's the truth nobody tells you. Cockroaches are not a hygiene problem alone. They are a survival problem. These insects have survived for 300 million years. They survived conditions that wiped out the dinosaurs. And your store-bought spray? They adapt to it. They build resistance. Their offspring become immune. So you buy another can, then another, then you call a professional. The exterminator shows up in a van. He walks around your home for 45 minutes. He sprays some chemicals you cannot even pronounce. He hands you a bill for $250, sometimes $400, sometimes $600 if he decides your infestation is severe. And he tells you to book a follow-up appointment in 30 days, because he knows they will come back. He is counting on it. That is his business model. Your recurring nightmare is his recurring income. People across the country spend over $5 billion every single year on pest control services. $5 billion. For a problem that has a $1 solution. Your grandmother probably knew this solution. Her grandmother definitely knew it. But somewhere between the 1950s and today, that knowledge was quietly buried. And you're about to dig it back up. Here is where it gets interesting. And a little bit infuriating. Back in the 1940s and 1950s, when the modern chemical industry was exploding after World War II, companies like Monsanto, Dow Chemical, and several large extermination corporations began heavily lobbying government agencies. They funded research, they controlled publications, they made sure that simple, natural household solutions were never studied, never promoted, and never recommended by any official body. Why? Because you cannot patent baking soda. You cannot charge $49.99 a bottle for sugar. There's no profit in something every person already owns, so they buried it. They invested millions into marketing campaigns that made homeowners feel helpless. They created the idea that cockroach infestations are a professional-grade problem requiring professional-grade chemicals. They trained exterminators to upsell. They designed products that work just enough to keep you buying, but never enough to actually solve the problem permanently. What I am about to show you is something that independent entomologists, the scientists who actually study insects without corporate funding, have known for a very long time. The method works on the biological level. It targets how cockroaches actually function. And it costs you absolutely nothing extra because you already have these ingredients at home. Only about 1% of people who struggle with cockroaches every year ever discover this. The rest keep paying, keep spraying, keep suffering. You're now in the 1%. The 2 ingredients are baking soda and sugar. That is it. Baking soda costs around $1 for a box that will last you months. Sugar you already have in your kitchen. The total cost of the solution is effectively $0. Now compare that to a professional extermination visit at $250 to $600 or a bottle of chemical spray at $12 to $20 that needs replacing every few weeks. The difference is staggering. But here's the part that will make you understand why this works so well that the industry feared it. Cockroaches, like most insects, cannot expel gas from their bodies. Their digestive system does not work that way. When a cockroach consumes baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, it reacts with the acids inside their digestive tract. This reaction produces carbon dioxide gas rapidly. Because the cockroach physically cannot release this gas, the pressure builds internally. It is fatal, every single time. No resistance can be built to this. No adaptation is possible. This is not a chemical they can evolve around. This is basic biology working against them at a fundamental level. The sugar is simply the delivery mechanism. Cockroaches are attracted to sugar. They seek it out. The sugar masks the baking soda completely. The cockroach cannot detect the baking soda through the sweetness. It eats the mixture willingly, and then the baking soda does its work. Professional shops charge $300 for synthetic versions of this same concept. They use chemical baits that work on similar principles, but cost a fortune to manufacture and come with health warnings for children and pets. This mixture has no toxicity to humans, no dangerous fumes, No warning labels needed. Your children can be in the house. Your pets are safe. The only thing dying is the cockroach. Now, here's exactly how you do this. First, take equal parts baking soda and sugar. For most kitchens, 2 tablespoons of each is a perfect starting amount. Mix them together completely in a small bowl or container. Make sure the mixture is dry and well combined. The ratio is 1-to-1. Do not add more sugar thinking it will attract more roaches. More sugar actually dilutes the effectiveness of the baking soda and reduces the lethal dose they consume per bite. Keep it equal. Then, identify the hot spots in your home. Cockroaches travel along walls and edges. They love dark, warm, humid spaces. Under the sink is always number 1. Behind the refrigerator, behind the stove, inside cabinet corners, underneath the dishwasher, along the back of shelves. These are your target zones. Next, place small amounts of the mixture in these locations. You do not need large piles. A small teaspoon-sized mound in each location is more than enough. Place it directly on a flat surface or on a small piece of cardboard or a bottle cap so it stays clean and accessible. Do not place it near water sources because moisture will cause the baking soda to activate prematurely before the roach consumes it, which completely ruins the effectiveness. This is critical. Keep the bait dry at all times. After placing the bait, leave it completely undisturbed for 48 hours. Do not clean around it. Do not move it. Do not spray any other products near it because chemical sprays will repel cockroaches and stop them from approaching the bait. This is where most people fail. They get impatient. They spray something else on day 1 and wonder why the bait is not working. Trust the process. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll begin to see dead cockroaches in the open. This is normal. This is the process working. The cockroach that consumed the bait often dies away from the hiding spot and in exposed areas. After 48 hours, refresh the bait. Remove old mixture, clean the surface briefly, and replace with fresh baking soda and sugar. Repeat this process once every 3 days for 2 to 3 weeks. The reason you repeat it is because cockroach eggs can survive the initial treatment. When those eggs hatch, the new nymphs need to encounter fresh bait. By maintaining the bait cycle for 3 weeks, you cover the full hatching cycle of any eggs already present in your walls. One final thing you must not do. Do not place this bait in areas where it can get wet. Not under a leaking pipe. Not near the edge of a sink basin. Moisture is the enemy of this method. Always keep it dry and always keep it in a corner or along a wall edge where cockroach traffic is highest. Thousands of people have discovered this method and never looked back. One family in Texas had been paying a pest control company $180 every 2 months for 3 years. That is over $3,000 spent on a problem that never fully went away. After using this baking soda and sugar method consistently for 3 weeks, their cockroach problem disappeared completely. Gone. They have not seen a single cockroach in over 14 months. Another viewer, a single mother in Florida, saved $800 in 1 year alone after switching from professional treatments to this kitchen mixture. She now makes fresh bait every few months as a preventative measure and has had 0 infestations since. Results from this method last effectively permanently when combined with simple maintenance, because you are not just killing the visible cockroaches. You're breaking the breeding cycle. You're eliminating the colony from the inside out. Cockroaches that consume the bait die before reproducing. The colony collapses over the treatment weeks, and when new cockroaches attempt to move in, fresh preventative bait stops them immediately. The pest control industry does not want this information spreading. There have been efforts to bury natural pest solutions across platforms and in official recommendations for decades. So share this. Tell your neighbors, tell your family. The more people who know, the less power these corporations have over your wallet and your home. Results from consistent application have been documented to last up to 10 years, with minimal maintenance reapplication every few months. Share this with someone who needs it right now. They are probably suffering through the same nightmare and throwing money at a problem they could solve for free. Hit the like button because that is the only way this information reaches people who are being overcharged and underserved by an industry built on keeping you dependent. Subscribe because next time you are going to find out the one ingredient hiding in your bathroom cabinet that unblocks drains permanently without any chemicals, any plumber, and any call that costs $200 before the man even touches your pipes. The pest control industry counts on your ignorance. The plumbing industry counts on it too. That stops now. And here's your final tip. The one I promised would shock you. Place 1 small dish of this baking soda and sugar mixture on top of your refrigerator, not just under it. Cockroaches travel across the tops of appliances at night, far more than they travel underneath. Most people bait the floor and wonder why results are slow. Bait every level, high and low. That single change alone doubles how fast this method works. You have the knowledge now. Use it. Your home belongs to you, not to them.